Okay, so in this video, I'm going to answer the question why you would do factorial ANOVA. So one of the things that you do factorial ANOVA, again, I'm going to go back to the research question, and your research question is primarily going to be looking at independent variables and the combination of those two independent variables on the dependent variable. So when you do a factorial ANOVA, what it does is it looks at each independent variable on the dependent variable, and this is what's known as a main effect. So the effect of each independent variable on the dependent variable. And then it's also going to give you what is called an interaction effect, and it's the influence of both independent variables together on the dependent variable. So here's your example. Is there a difference in grit of leaders at higher institutions, private and state, and also between males and females? So factorial ANOVA is going to give you information telling you, is there a difference in grit between private and state institutions? That's one main effect. It's also going to tell you if there is a difference in grit in leaders between males and females. That's going to be a main effect. And then it's going to tell you if the type of institution and the gender of a person has an influence on grit, and that's going to be your interaction effect. So I go down to this is probably going to look a little familiar to some of the things that we've seen. So remember, when you collect data, you have total variability. So you have a variability in your scores. So the scores are going to differ. And so where is that variability? How is it spread out? So you have variance, or the spread of the scores, that are explained by the experimental manipulation, and you have variance that is just random, all right, because you've got some error in your data. And then this variance is further broken out by the spread of the scores explained by variable A, the spread of the scores explained by variable B, and the spread of the scores explained by the interaction of both A and B. So institution, gender, and the interaction of institution and gender explaining grit.